guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel again, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, so early on I cook a steamed fish, Flex Jamaican Cuisine style, and the person who I cook it for didn't get it because another customer saw the fish and think it was so beautiful, so delicious, and took it and eat it, and it was really good. So I had to do 2 more orders, so they're ready right now and I'm gonna plate them. Alright, so please guys, remember to go to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Respect, really appreciate you all. Yes guys, I want you to see this amazing fish, you know. Yeah man, so it's steamed fish, you know. Flex Jamaican Cuisine style of steamed fish. Yes guys, these fish so good. You have to eat one of them, you know. Okay guys, so that is it, you know. That's the steamed fish. Yeah man, that is it guys. Yeah man, so look at this guys. Wow. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man, I told you guys I'm just getting started for my cooking, my TV cooking show. Yeah, man. Launch of it is the 28th. Yeah, man. Much respect. Yes, guys. Please remember, continue to support my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah, man. Respect. I'm in the kitchen cooking up a storm, guys, like I always do, you know. Yeah, man. And here I have some curry chicken. Yeah, man, some curry chicken, guys. Yeah, man, real. And that's my fish, my steamed fish in the pot. Yeah, man, I'll be eating that as soon as I finish with this curry chicken. Yeah, man. And here I have some oxtail. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. All the love.